So today we're gonna have a challenge by washing my dad's car.
All right, so you're gonna pour some in there. Watch out, Bubby. Pour some in there.
It has to be good.
Squish it. Is it coming out? There you go. Squish more in there, just a little more. All right. Give me the soap.
Okay.
And now stick these in there and make bubbles with them. Keep making bubbles. All right, yes. So you gotta do half the car. Scrub it, dale. And then Bubby has to do the other. There you go, you're making soap. All right, wash the car, Bubby. You gotta wash the car, give it a bath. Are you doing it? You might need more.
I am.
Okay. Give it a good bath. Wash the grill right here, all this.
Yeah. I'm washing the handle.
All right. Keep washing. Oh, the windows are dirty. If you need help, I can reach up higher.
Yeah, Mama.
Just
That's my mom.
like that. Is this fun to see?
Yeah. It's our best thing to do.
Okay.
Okay.
Here he
Okay.
is.
Here we go.
And the window.
And this window.
Bubby, are you washing?
It's kind of
Okay, you're in the same spot. You got to move over here. Look. Wash this. The light. There you go. What is it?
This is actually our first time washing the car.
Oh my goodness. Well, you better scrub it good.
Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh.
Let's see what Bubby's doing. Are you getting it, Bubby? Oh, there you go. Now you gotta wash the butt of the car. Where's the butt in the back? You gotta put more soap and water on it. Yeah. There you go.
Ew!
Wash.
Animal in there.
Yeah, you gotta wash all that. That's the dirt. Go to the back, Bubby. Wash the back. Is it really dirty? Oh, Sissy up there is really dirty.
I think I can reach it. Mama, can you help us?
Yes.
Now we play in the car.
There you go. Go all the way to the top.
Now we wash our
Now you're taking the soap off, right?
It's wetting me too. So now we let
Get
out
the window. There's still some soap on the window. There you go. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Giselle, you don't ever let go of la manguera. Go. Like this, look. Don't go over there. I can't see you guys. Yeah. I think we got it. All right. Sissy, I think you got the car wash. What are you doing next? I'm not going to spray you. Come here, Bubby. We're all done. You washed Daddy's car.